again to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Ify and I am back again with another video. So guys, today's video is a hair mask day. I am going to be making a hair mask. And this hair mask, I got it from a YouTuber, Omabelletv. And I am going to be trying the hair mask and I'll be carrying you guys along, and also I'll be telling you guys if the hair mask for massive hair growth and for softening hair, if it really works. If it works, you guys are going to know. If it doesn't, you guys are also going to know. As always, I'll keep you guys updated. Okay guys, let's get into it. Okay guys, to make this hair mask for massive hair growth, you need olive oil. This is an olive oil, guys. So, and you also need banana. I am going to be using 3 bananas for it because I have plenty hair, so I'm going to be making the mask to be enough. Then you also need mayonnaise, guys. This is mayonnaise. These are the requirements. So guys, to start off, I am going to be adding the bananas. This is a ripe banana, guys. So if you want to make it, you need a ripe banana. So ensure you use a ripe banana. So guys, you add your mayonnaise. I am going to be using 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise because I have plenty hair, as you guys all know. So I'm going to be using 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise because I want the mask to be enough for my hair. So guys, it depends on the quantity of your hair. If you have plenty hair, so be sure to make it plenty. But if you have small hair, then make it small. Then I went on to add my olive oil, as you can see. So in this olive oil, I am going to be using 3 tablespoons of olive oil. I know you guys must be laughing. Yeah, that's because nothing goes to waste over here, okay? So guys, it is now time for blending. You go on and blend everything together. After blending it, then I removed it from the blender. Guys, make sure that it's very smooth. This is the consistency you should be aiming for. Do not fail to make it very smooth. It must be very smooth for easy use. So I transferred it into a bowl. This is the bowl that I'm going to use to apply it. I started off by brushing my hair. I brushed my hair with a rectangular comb. As you can see, my hair even appears harsh, like it appears strong. Mere looking at it, you will know that I have a very strong hair. So I combed my hair very well. To apply this hair mask, I divided my hair into sections. So if you want to make it easy for yourself, go on ahead and divide it into sections as well. Now that I'm done with sectioning my hair, it is time to apply the hair mask. So sorry, So I did not know that my camera was not recording, and I was really explaining how I massaged that very one. Basically what I did was apply the hair mask all over it, then use my hands to massage it very well. I massaged it with my both hands very well, then use my detangler brush to brush it and comb it very well, and that's all. I repeated the same process I did on my back. You know what I mean? Like, I came to the sections of the hair at my front, then I applied all the hair mask, apply it very well, apply it all over on each section, one after the other. Then I use my both hands to massage it very well. You need to massage your hair very well and ensure you apply the hair mask very well. So that is why I emphasize on the quantity when I was blending it. You need to know the quantity your hair, or you need to have an idea of the quantity your hair can the quantity that will be enough for your hair. Then you make sure that you blend enough quantity so that it will be enough for you. So I massage it very well, then I comb it with my detangler brush, then I used comb also to comb it very well. Guys, take a look at that very beautiful hair. I am done with the whole hair. I've applied the mask around the hair. Can you see how the hair looks? Guys, could you believe that the mask was not even enough? I should have blended 4 bananas instead of 3, but next time I will do better. So right now, can you see it has gone round, and I used all the mayonnaise. In fact, I used my hand to collect all this, even the smallest mayonnaise that is remaining in the bowl. Can you see it? I collected everything. So guys, now it is time for me to cover it. I don't know where my shower cap is, so I am going to be using my swimming cap. So I am going to be using it to cover my hair. The hair is plenty, so I am battling with it. Honestly, shower cap is the best for this, because like, it was a struggle getting my hair to enter this swimming cap. Is a very big struggle, but at the end of the day I was able to get my hair into the shower cap. Hey, it worked. So guys, yeah, I've succeeded in putting my hair into that swimming cap. So I'll be carrying this for like 2 hours, and after 2 hours I'll come back to wash it off. Then we will know if it really worked or if it did not. And guys, what do you think? I'm positive it's going to work. Tell me what you think in the comment section. So guys, it is time for me now to wash my hair. It is time for me to wash the hair now. Okay, so let's go. I've carried this for more than 2 hours, so I'm going to wash it off now. And to wash it off, I am going to be using my Dark and Lovely shampoo. Can you see my Dark and Lovely shampoo? That's what I am going to be using for this. Let's go there. So guys, what I did was I washed up the mask first, then I applied my shampoo, and also while my shampoo was still on my hair, I used my comb and my rectangular brush to brush my hair very well and comb it. That way it makes it very easy for me to brush my hair. Guys, please ignore the noise at the background. That's my son. There was nothing I could do, honestly. It was beyond me. So guys, now that I'm done washing my hair, can you see how soft that looks? It looks so soft and fuller than it was before. Wow, I love the hair so much. So guys, my hair is so lovely, it's so soft right now, so I love it so much. So I am going to go ahead and apply my Shea Butter Grow Strong Straightening Cream. Then I'm going to moisturize it with my Cantu moisturizer. So guys, I gently apply the creams all over my hair gently, and I made sure that I put hands into my hair. I made sure that it reaches every corner and area. Is area the right word? I don't know the right word, but guys, I'm sure you guys understand what I'm trying to say. So I made sure that everything go through my hair, and yeah, can you see how soft my hair is now? That is how your hair is supposed to be. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you love what you see, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love my hair so much, and yeah, thank you so much guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.